Okay, this one is going to be very easy. Okay, hello, I'm Steph. Let's get to this. We're going to be doing this stroke text effect, and that would be this right here, the part that shows me in between the word boss. So first thing we're going to do is obviously go to Canva. So I'm already in Canva, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up a new canvas. And I'm just going to do a custom size because I wanted a certain size so you'll be able to see. So I'm going to do a 1920. Here we go, 1920 by 1080. So it's a 16:9 ratio. Okay, this is very simple. So the first thing I want to do is I want to get me a background. So I'm going to type in wall in elements. Not that you have to do a wall, I just think it's cool. And the couple of videos that I saw, they had walls on them. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay, and I'm going to turn my picture off. It's distracting to me to see me speaking. So let me turn that off. Okay, so I'm going to grab a wall. Let's see which one we're going to do this time. I've been doing this one, but I don't want anything with too much. By the way, these walls, when you do your mock-ups, this is where I usually go if I'm doing like furniture, whatever, or even if I'm doing t-shirts, I like to put the peep up against the wall. So that's just me saying something. Let's see what we're gonna do. Okay, I'm just gonna choose one. I'm trying to find one that's not a pro version in case you want to follow and you don't have a pro version. So let me just pick this plain one here. So next thing I'm gonna do is make it my background, set as background. Then I'm gonna go and grab the picture that I'm going to use. So I'm gonna go to my uploads and I'm going to my class reunion. So let me do this picture. This is me in 1988. I graduated in 1988. Yep, I'm old. So I'm going to take my picture and I'm going to remove the background. So I highlighted my picture, went up here to edit photo. Then I'm just going to hit BG removal. Once I hit, okay, so now I have my picture with the background removed. Let me make it a little bit smaller because I want my number a little bit bigger than me. Okay, so next we're gonna add text by hitting the text file over here on the left-hand side. I'm gonna hit add a heading. And for me, you can do letters, do a word. I'm gonna do numbers because I graduated in 1988 and tomorrow is my 35th class reunion. So I'm gonna change the font to impact. Then I'm gonna size it approximately the size I want it. Right here. Once I do that, I'm gonna change the color and I want it to be white. Then I'm gonna rotate it 90 degrees. My mouse got stuck, sorry. Okay, now I'm gonna place this where I want it over my picture. I think I want it like this. Once I placed it, I'm gonna right click and I'm gonna go to layer and I'm gonna send backward. Then I'm gonna right click again. I'm gonna go and I'm gonna duplicate the 1988. It came in front of me, so I'm gonna make sure it's evenly lined with the 1988 behind me. So you know when you duplicate it, it off centers a little bit. So now that it's aligned, I'm gonna hit effects up here. And the effect I want is hollow. It made a hollow. Now I'm gonna take the thickness down to 1. And there it is. Okay, so I don't like it white on top of white. It kind of makes it hard to see. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to change the 88 in the back. So I'm gonna hit position right here. And I'm gonna go to my layers over here. Now I'm gonna take this 1988, I'm gonna highlight it, and I'm gonna change the color of it. Make it a little bit easier for you to see. That kind of blend into the background. I'm trying to use the colors out of my picture. All of that is blending into the background. Okay, let me just pick another color so that you can see the effects. Our colors now are red, which is gonna look funny, but these are the colors. So I'm gonna do a red. Okay, there we go. Now you can write words, which is what I did before. You can do letters, you can change the positioning. I can go back on here. Let me hit position again. Let me go to layers. Let me highlight myself. Make myself smaller. And I'm gonna move myself over. Make myself a little bit smaller. Bring me down. Bring me over. Okay. Then if I had another picture, say if I had a cap and gown picture, I would put it right here. But let's put a picture of me today, okay? So let me find a picture of me today. So let's just get this one. I'm gonna put this over here, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove the background. I'm gonna make it smaller. Then I'm gonna move me in right here. So we have a picture of me in 1988, and we have a picture of me today. And this is how you do the stroke text effect in Canva. If you have any questions, just go ahead and ask me the questions in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed that video. I know it was very short because some of these things are very easy. If you have any questions, as I was saying, please drop your question in the comments below and I will answer them as fast as I can. I'm getting ready to go home for a class reunion and then my daughter's getting ready to have a baby. So I'm not going to be actually doing crafting. I'll be doing a lot of these short videos just to get my juices flowing and to get my skills up. And I hope it's helping someone else along the way. So look forward to a lot of these little videos. I'm doing a lot of research. I am on the Canva YouTube channel, so I get a lot of this stuff from the Canva YouTube channel. and from asking around and playing with the Canva app myself. So I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you have a great day. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you. I appreciate you. Welcome back. If you are new, I hope this is something you enjoyed. That would cause you to hit that button and follow, subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff. It really helps me out. It helps my analytics. And it helps me get my $30 a month because I don't make much money on here. I hope you all have a great day. Remember, happy, happy, happy thoughts. Okay. Bye, y'all. Have a good one.